was sitting, this is the, it's a whole thing. This was sitting up in the, well, what I thought was the main office, but I think it was at the main hub for 10 days, 12 days, something like that. Yeah, and it moved, and I saw it move last night. I was like, oh, good, so it came today. So, but in the meantime, I told you I put in a missing mail report. Does it look like it was open? It doesn't really. I don't know. There's extra tape, but there's a piece of hair. Maybe it was opened. I think it was opened. Maybe somebody tried to steal my mail. Yeah. What was I saying? So I put in the missing mail thing, and then I also contacted Etcher, like, in case it never showed up. What am I going to do? Do I have a resend out from them or a refund from them, or do I get the insurance, you know, whatever, because it was insured for almost what I paid for it. So, yeah, somebody else opened this. So I emailed them. They emailed me back and said, oh, no, that package has already been delivered. And I'm like, what? So the Studio Surface that I opened last week with my haul was actually the May packet. So this is the Studio Surface packet. So I don't, it feels a little bit heavier. So I don't know if it's different or not, but yes, look at, first off, there's hair. Ew. Oh, that might be mine. But this is all ripped open. I bet you somebody opened this. Let's see. There's hair there, and that's under the tape. That wasn't me. But it's not marked like, oh, we had to check customs kind of thing. I think either it was delivered to the wrong place and somebody just decided to open it, or because the label's intact. This is open. That tape, but this tape isn't. Is it? Looks like it was partially opened. Maybe they thought it was something else and they opened it and then thought, no, that's not anything I ordered. So yeah, this is the same thing. So I'm really aggravated with Etcher that they said, oh yeah, we just renamed it. Well, then why am I getting two of the exact same thing? Yeah, this is the same thing. I mean, like I said, I don't mind that I got this but could you maybe look and see if I already ordered the other one? I'm emailing them back because that's ridiculous. Like I said, at least it was something I liked. I mean, apart from this isn't my favorite thing, but and I like the two books, which is fine. I like this thing, and I can do something with those. But that's annoying. Okay, anyway. So, should I open these? Y'all saw this last time. Just go to my... All right, I'll open them because I'm keeping this stuff anyway. But in case you missed the other one, it was shoved in with a haul. So I got a swatch system. Comes with a class on... Not swatching, but on mixing colors and watercolors. Try not to make noise. So this is watercolor paper, and this is really cool. A little swatch book. This was I forget what color it is. What does it say? Is it yellow? Blue? Teal? I can't remember what color. Like teal. Okay. So, portrait sketchbook. It's a B5, 100% cotton, cold press, 300 GSM. Deckled edges. I'll keep that with it. And this one was, it's bronze, and it's got 3 different papers in it. It's got hot press, cold press, and then it's got some black paper in there. That's watercolor. I don't know what. Just says, oh, cellulose. That's what it is. Okay. So it's bronze. Hot press is in the front, black cellulose in the middle, and then there's cold press in the back. Square, I think 7x7, is it? Yes. So that, and I like that. This, I'm not gonna open this. Just watercolor paper block, and it's hot press. And And these are little mini, like the ACEO cards. I thought it would make like a little set of like tarot cards or something from them. Because I have 2 sets, so I could do like the major cards if I wanted to. And that's it, and that's it. So I got double, and I did email them and say how disappointing that was. Okay, so I'm going to put this video up today. I also got sketchbox. So that's what I'm going to do now. It's Tuesday right now, so I'm going to try to get this done today, get the video done, and I'll put that up for Friday. So, but first, I'm going to put this video up, I think.